Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. The bookmarks bar helps you quickly access your favorite websites, and you can easily enable or disable it from Firefox settings. This method is quick and takes only a few seconds. To enable or disable bookmarks bar, first open Firefox browser and then click on the top toolbar, empty a space, right click on the empty space on the toolbar, and here you will find the option bookmarks toolbar. You can check this one option always show. I have already checked. After checking this one option, bookmarks bar will be visible always just below the address bar. You can also choose never show. This will hide bookmarks bar. You can also choose show only on new tab, so only it will appear when you will open a new tab. Apart from that, you can also use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+B to quickly hide or display bookmarks bar in Firefox browser. Just press Ctrl+Shift+B to show or to hide this one bookmarks bar on your Firefox browser. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.